that is really the divergence, isn't it? Asian central banks having the room to cut, to soften the tariff impact when the United States doesn't really at the moment.
So it's true that in the case of Asia, inflation in many countries is at or below target. So in that sense, many of them have the room to ease monetary policy. Of course, in some countries, for instance, in China and Thailand, inflation has been quite low, in fact, in deflation territory. So all said and done, countries in Asia have the room to ease monetary policy. Of course, that comes with a share of complications we can talk about.
Yeah, and of course, Japan is the one that needs to go in the different direction from the rest of the pack in the region. The question for the BOJ is, can it afford to stay on the hiking course at the moment? I mean, how many rate hike do you see this year? And what do you make of the conversation that Japan side had with the Trump administration overnight?
So on the latter, we don't have any much detail in terms of the negotiation between Japan and the U.S. But what I can tell you is that when it comes to monetary policy, again, they have been on a tightening phase. It's still accommodative, and their monetary policy stance, which we support, is data dependent. We have a hike way out there in 2025. So again, depending upon how the situation prevails, they have room to stay pat or to increase much later down the road. What we have in our assumption or in our forecast is that inflation will reach their 2% target by 2027.